Good morning, everybody. This is Todd with the Forex Nitty Gritty Insiders Daily Video. Hope you're having a fabulous day today and the markets are treating you well. We had a couple of interesting things come out today that caused some pretty good market movements in the euro. We had interest rates come out, and then we had the ECB Press Conference, which really caused some market movements that were pretty dramatic overall. And so we will take a look at those, and we will try to see if we can't see some opportunities to trade there. Now, what we want to have is we want the markets to obviously be deliberate in their movements, and so sometimes these quick movements can throw the markets off for a short time period. And so we want to keep that in mind as we look at what is happening with the trade setups using the simple trading method. The U.S. markets are open higher today. We're up about 1/3%, about 41 points on the Dow, 9 points on the Nasdaq, and about 5.5 points on the S&P 500. Oil continuing to rise, up about 1%, as is gold, which is about 1673 right now. So we've got some movements on the various pairs. And so we're just going to keep an eye on those for some time here to be able to take advantage of what's going on with our trades. Now, I've got a 5-minute chart of the euro up here, and I wanted to kind of go through this. And you can see that this moving average is going up, price is above it. So I'm going to put our stop loss just below this, and we'll go about 10 pips below it, just to kind of give it some room to move. Our entry on this is going to be at the highest high of the last three. So we can put, this is the close candle, the highest high of the last three is right here. And then as we move forward, you can see that we're going to be able to adjust this entry down to the highest high of the last three, which it almost got to it right there. And on this next candle, we would have entered into this. Now, our stop loss in this is going to be somewhere around 17 pips. And so we would base our risk management rules off of that, making sure that we are not taking too big of position sizes. And so let's move forward. Now you can see at this point that we have a candle coming down, but it's still holding in this upward direction here. The moving average is still going up. And now we're getting this to close below this. And so we're getting a little bit concerned. It's still only down at this particular point here. Let me see. We enter in here. We're down 6-7 pips on this, which is not a big deal. So we're going to hold this, go to the next candle. And you can see that we had a nice little move up here. We're up a little bit on this, as you can see. Then the next candle, you can see, is moving higher. And as we scroll through this a little bit quicker, you can see that we had some nice movements. Now, at some point, we have to make the decision to adjust our stop up. And so it could be, at various levels. This is what I wanted to point out here. When we trade in the direction that the trend is established in, and we really look for the opportunities to take advantage of that trend using the simple trading method, things oftentimes will work in our favor, in our direction. And that's what we're seeing here, is that the ECB press conference really caused a continuation of what that current trend was. So make sure you understand how to do that. Make sure you understand where to place your stops, where to adjust them, and when to adjust them. And if you have questions about that, feel free to let us know. If not, we'll be back tomorrow to wrap up the week and see how things end and preparation for this next week. So until then, have a great rest of the day. We'll talk to you soon.